I am Pranav and I live and work in Copenhagen in Denmark since last 9 years. I work with the company which we make food and dairy equipments and we sell it all over the world. It's called SPX Flow and we are into the business of feeding billions of people around the globe. When I came new to Denmark in around 2011, there were things which I used to learn going to various seminars and exhibitions where it was about expats and how to integrate well into the workforce in Denmark. The culture, they call it like the business dances with the Danes. And with the journey of around 9 years being in Denmark, certain things which I have learned, it's always better to repeat it by giving it to somebody. So that was the main aim. Secondly, when you give something to somebody else, it gives lots of satisfaction of creating something, and I was looking for this satisfaction of creating a career for somebody which stays with the person for whole life, and it gives immense satisfaction to do that. If the tools are not enough for the challenge that I face, then I go back on the internet, for example, or YouTube or TED videos, read some books, but I also have access to my mentor within my company. So our industry president, he is my current mentor. I can go back to him, ask him, learn from him and pass it on to the mentees. My personal outcome is the satisfaction of creating a career, and that is a very big satisfaction. When you see that the mentees are progressing in life, the day they get the first offer letter from the job and they start working and they send a message that today was the interview and I have received an offer, the happiness that they get that day actually brushes on to a mentor, and it is a very satisfactory experience to hear that. When you put somebody into a career and that lasts for a whole life with him or her. I would definitely be mentoring. Now it has been 3 years since this has started and it is going very good. I am gaining a very good network. I am gaining new prospects and new perspective from the young students and young mentees. Whenever we face some questions and I go back and ask them what they think about it, they come with really novel ideas, and this is the diversity which makes the world so beautiful. The people coming from different backgrounds and cultures and countries. So I would definitely be continuing that. I would say that it's a responsibility which is something like if you are having a garden or a flower pot, for example, where you start from the seed, and when you see it growing and yielding flowers, or when you have a garden, when you plant a seed and then you slowly let it grow, and when you see it yielding fruits, that is the immense satisfaction that you get. And here you are building a career for somebody. That career is not only for a person per se, but it is for the person's family and for the families to come. So it gives immense pleasure every time you see them. Some of the mentees who update their status on the LinkedIn, for example, who were my mentees earlier 2-3 years ago, and when I see them progressing in the career, it really gives a huge satisfaction, because it's something which you put your efforts and now it's yielding the results, and you see the results in the real field.